Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix there's an issue with your iPhone's ability to use Face ID. If you're using any iPhone and you're having this issue that there's any issue with your iPhone ability to use your Face ID, or you cannot use your Face ID on your iPhone, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first, you just have to open your settings app and here go for general, go for software update, and you have to try to update your software. And because sometimes it might be that there's any pending software update some related to your Face ID, so you cannot use your Face ID as well. And after doing that, you can try to reset your settings. So select reset all settings. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this step. And after doing that, you just have to go for the screen time section, then go for content and privacy restrictions, and you have to disable all the restrictions from here. And after doing that, you just have to go back and it will almost fix your issue. Or if this doesn't work for you, so you have to make sure that your Face ID is physical, is health is well. So you can try to clean your this section of your phone, or you can check your iPhone via your expert mechanic, or you can get more help from there. Or after doing that all, if you have any software issues, so you just have to open your Apple Sport app, then go for iPhone, and here select more, then select Face ID, and here you just have to select get more help option, then select call us. Now whenever you want to talk, you just have to dial this phone number and you will get contacted with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. Or if this doesn't work for you, so you have to try to downgrade your iOS version, because sometime after updates your phone cannot run your software updates, so you have to downgrade your software or iOS version. So after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.